Hi, I'm Stephen Roselle with Autodesk, and we're here at Casual Connect 2010 in Seattle, talking about how you can use Maya for content creation for casual games. So what we have here is a fairly simple object, a cartoony car, and we're going to talk about how you can use some of Maya's modeling tools to refine this object. So Maya has some very powerful low-level and high-level modeling tools. So on the low-level front, we can actually go in and really quickly and easily add detail to a model just by simply going in and using a variety of tools to just click, drag, and place polygons or edges or verts as we need them. Now once that detail is refined, we can then use our broader base tools to go in and begin to refine the shape. For instance, something like Soft Select allows us to quickly and easily go in and apply very kind of broad effects to an entire section of a model. So we can also go in and quickly refine the shape. You can see how it's fairly faceted in this view. We just hit a simple hotkey. We can actually smooth that out, actually adding detail to the model interactively. We also have the ability to work in a reflective manner. So if I come in here, for instance, and I grab this headlight, you can see how as I edit that headlight, it's only affecting the right side of the car. I can very quickly and easily go in here and add some reflection to this, and that will find the matching headlight on the other side of the car and allow me then to go in and make those edits in a symmetrical, reflective manner. We can also work across multiple objects. So you can see here that if I grab this wheel here, this wheel is actually a separate object. But I may want to actually edit the shape of that wheel and have that pass on to the rest of the car. So I can grab both of these wheels here, and I can go into my soft selection tool. And I have a special option in my soft selection tool that allows me to work in an object mode or a global mode. So the global mode will actually allow me to edit these objects and then have a fall off of that edit around the neighboring object. So if I need to go in and quickly scale the wheels, I can basically scale these up or scale these down, and the rest of the car is going to conform to that edit. So those are just a few examples of how quickly and easily you can begin to edit models and refine models. Once you have your models created, you also need to be able to assemble them very easily and quickly. So we have a variety of scene assembly related tools that allow you to quickly and easily populate, for instance, something like a game level with assets. So here we have a street scene, and on the right hand side I have something called Layout Tools, which is an add-on to Maya, which you can actually download off of our community website, The Area. It basically allows you to just click, drag, and begin to populate your scene with a variety of different objects. So this is basically allowing you to build a repository of objects that you can then quickly and easily begin to add to your scene. So if I wanted to add a variety of different things, I don't have to surf around on a file browser in order to do that. I can quickly and easily look at the icon representation of that object and begin to drag it into place. I have a variety of tools for placement as well. For instance, if I were to go in and grab something like this park bench, you can see that as I drag that, it actually starts to penetrate into the ground. So we have a variety of tools that allow you to quickly and easily go in and actually associate objects together. For instance, if I were to grab this park bench, let's actually go into object mode here. If I were to grab this park bench and then grab this park ground, I can go into the assembly section here, and I can do what's called a geosnap. And a geosnap would basically take that park bench and automatically align it to the ground. And now as I move this, you can see that it'll automatically reorient and reposition itself with the ground as I move it around. So those are just a few examples of some of the very kind of quick and easy tools that are available to you in Maya for scene assembly. Now this environment could be an actual 3D environment that is used in something like a 3DS for a 3DS platform, or it could be an assembly for a pre-rendered element which could be used as a background for a sprite-based game.